How to add freckles on your Bitmoji on Snapchat. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, just go ahead and make sure that you have the latest version of Snapchat installed to your device in order to make sure that you have the freckles or the edit avatar feature. Right after, you want to open up the application, and once inside, just go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once inside the profile icon, you want to scroll down and this menu will show up. Scroll up once again, and inside you will be able to see the edit avatar option. You want to click on the edit avatar option, and once inside you can just go ahead and slide this category and we'll be able to find the face avatar or the face edit selection, which is this one. You want to click on that option right there and we'll be able to add freckles on our Bitmoji. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.